Today we'll be starting our journey through Quick Serve Manager. In this lesson, we'll start by launching the app from the Windows desktop. Next, we'll open a shift, take a couple of orders, and close the shift. Finally, we'll browse through the Manager modules. To launch the app, tap on the QSM icon. This will take you to the dashboard. You can see here the buttons for the sales lookup, gratuity, time clock, and waitlist. We will cover these buttons in more depth on another episode. One other thing of note is that there's a small display on the bottom right corner of the dashboard that shows if the system is online or not. You can also tap the button to access the troubleshooting window. You will also see the Manager button, the Take Orders button, and the Open Shift button. The Manager button will give you access to all the managerial functions. Take Order will take you to the order screen. You'll first need to open a shift before taking orders. To open a shift, tap the Open Shift button and enter the access code. The access code will be different for each person, and you should refer to your manager for your access code. Once you've entered your access code, you'll see a screen to enter your starting cash. Enter the count of each denomination of bills and coins in the cash drawer. Take care to enter the count of each denomination instead of the dollar amount. For example, if the register had $100 in $20 bills, I would put 5 in the $20 row in the count column. Tap Enter to declare the starting cash, and tap Yes to confirm. This should allow you to start taking orders. Tap the Take Orders button. Doing that will take you to the Take Orders module or the Orders screen. From there, you can handle orders and payments. For demonstrational purposes, I'm going to make a couple of orders using the Take Orders module. I'm going to add an item, select the modifiers, then check out by tapping the Cash Register button. For the first transaction, I'm going to order a 12-ounce iced Americano with 1 shot. You can see here that you cannot proceed with the order without selecting a shot modifier for the drink. This is a forced modifier for the menu item. While the shots modifier was a forced modifier, the coffee modifier is an optional modifier, meaning you can choose to input any number of said modifiers, including 0. For this demonstration, I'm going to skip all optional modifiers. Tap the cash register icon. Select the payment method. I am going to use cash for this transaction. Enter the amount paid, and we have completed the order. The app will also display how much change is owed right here above the menu. The receipt prints automatically, but you can change the settings to require you to tap the Print Receipt button to manually print the receipt. I'm going to make another order, this time ordering a 16-ounce hot latte with 3 shots. I'm also going to add banana chocolate bread to this order. This time I'm going to select credit for this transaction. Now that we've taken a couple of orders, I'm going to show you how to close the current shift. Tap the back button from the order screen to exit and return to the dashboard. Then tap the Close Shift button. Confirm the shift close by tapping Yes. Next, you'll need to declare the ending cash. Enter the amount of each denomination of bills and coins in the cash drawer, and tap Enter. And tap Yes to confirm the amount. The app will print a shift report on the receipt printer. Now, from the dashboard, tap the Manager button. A screen will pop up asking for an access code. The Manager access code will be different per person and is required every time you want to access the Manager modules. Entering your access code will take you to the Manager modules. We can see here that this module shows options for tasks, maintenance, reports, and system. The QSM app will automatically time you out and send you back to the dashboard if you idle for too long in the Manager module. If you tap the Tasks button, it'll take you to the Tasks module, where you can find menu setup, menu maintenance, inventory setup, employee timesheet, purchase order, work schedule, and credit card batch. If you go back and select maintenance, you'll find employee setup, customer setup, gift and loyalty cards, rewards and discounts, vendor setup, promotion setup, table setup, and types. If you go back and go to reports, you'll find sales reports, inventory reports, employee reports, customer reports, gift and loyalty reports, credit card reports, register reports, and shift reports. If you head back and select system, you'll find options, merchant setup, hardware setup, database utility, backup and restore, network setup, and the gift and loyalty terminal. We will cover all of these manager options in a different episode. You've now taken your first steps through QSM. In this lesson, we covered launching the QSM app from the Windows desktop, opening shifts, taking orders, and closing shifts. We also got a quick glimpse of the Manager modules and how to access them. In the next episode, we'll go over the menu setup and menu maintenance, and other managerial tasks.